Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about inverse matrix. So how to do the inverse matrix? Okay, let's start. Alright. Okay, for inverse matrix means A, you multiply with A inverse, you will have matrix identity. Okay. So let's say I give you A equals to, okay, let's say 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay, I think too small, wait. So let's say I give you matrix A is 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay. So what is a matrix identity? Identity is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is matrix identity. Now, so we have to find what is the matrix inverse for A, okay? Alright, so your first step is you have to do 1 over, okay, so 1 over, okay, let's show you here. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So here you have to multiply A, D. So that means you have to multiply this. A times D, you minus with B times C. B and C, okay? Then, okay, this part, A and D, you have to switch. So here is A, right? So here is D. So you have to put D up here, A here. So here become negative B, and here is negative C. Alright, so this is the method for inverse matrix. Okay. Alright, now, okay, so we proceed with this question. Okay, now, okay, so means 1 over A times D. So 1 times 4 is 4, correct? Okay, minus with 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so here you will put 1 and 4, negative 1, negative 3. Okay, so then you will have here 1, correct? Because 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 divided by 1, we have 1. So 1 you multiply with 1, negative 1, negative 3, and 4, you will have same answer. Okay? Okay, now we want to prove. Is it correct? A multiply with A inverse, we have identity matrix, this one. Okay, let's check. So we have here is A inverse. A inverse is 1, negative 1, negative 3, and 4. Okay, okay, here. Alright. So, okay, A. Alright, so 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay, you multiply with 1, negative 1, negative 3, and 4. Okay, so now 4. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, plus 1 times negative 3, negative 3. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 plus 4. Okay, so now this part. Okay, so 3 times 1, 3, plus 1 times negative 3, negative 3. Okay, so 3 times negative 1, negative 3, plus 1 times 4, 4. Okay, so 4 plus minus is minus, right? 4 minus 3, 1, 0. Here also 0. Here 4 minus 3, 1. See? So it's correct. Alright? So now proceed to the next one. Okay, let's say I give you 2. Let's say I put here matrix B. Okay, so matrix B, 2, negative 2, negative 1, and 2. So what is the B inverse? Okay, we have to find it. Alright, so your first step is 1 over, okay, remember I told you before, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, right? So you have to multiply like this. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2 times 1 is negative, sorry, 2, negative 2, negative 1, so means 2, correct? Okay. So switch. So here is 2, so here also 2, so here is negative. So negative and negative positive. Here negative and negative positive. Okay, so now 1 over 2. 1 over 2, you multiply with 2, 2, 1, 2. So you will have, okay, so here 2 over 2, 1 over 2 multiply 2, 2 over 2. So here also 2 over 2. Here 1 over 2. So here 2 over 2. So that means your final answer will be 1, 1, half, and 1. Okay, so this is B inverse. Alright, next. Okay, so let's say I give you matrix C. Okay, so your matrix C is 7, 0, negative 5, and 1. So what is your matrix C inverse? Okay, so now first step, okay, multiply first. Okay, so 1 times 7, 7. Okay, so you minus with 0, so definitely here is 0, right? Sorry, 7 here. So here switch, 1 up here, 7 down here. Here is 0 and here is 5 because you have to put negative here. So negative, negative become positive 5. So now you will have here 1 over 7 multiply with 1, 0, 5, 7. So your answer will be 1 over 7 times 1, 1 over 7. Here is 0. So here is 5 over 7. And here is 1. So therefore your C inverse is 1, 7, 0, 5 over 7, and 1. Okay? Alright, easy? Okay, we proceed to the next one. Okay, so let's say I give you matrix D. Okay, so your matrix D equals to 2, 4, 1, 3. Alright, so what is your D inverse? Okay, so now 1 over, multiply 2 times 3, 6 minus 1 times 4, 4. 3, you must put up, switch with number 2. So here is 3, here is number 2. So here is negative 4, negative 1. Okay, now 1 over 2, you multiply with 3, negative 4, negative 1, and 2. So then, here, 1 over 2 times 3, 3 over 2. Here, 1 over 2 times 4, we have here negative 2. And here we have negative 1 over 2. And here 1 over 2 and 2 we have 1. So your D inverse is 3 over 2, negative 2, negative 1 over 2, and 1. Okay? Right. Okay, next. Alright, let's see. Here, you have B, okay, equals to 4, negative 3, negative 1, and 2. Okay, so what is your B inverse? Okay, so I will change. Okay, let's say I give here okay, A, you multiply with B, you will have matrix identity. So this is matrix B. Okay, we know when A multiplies with B, identity means either one is inverse, right? So definitely is A. A is inverse of A is B inverse. Okay, so now, so you want to find matrix A, okay, you have to put 1 over 4 times 2, 8, minus negative 1, negative 3, 3. Okay, so here you have to switch 2 and 4. So here you have to put 3 and 1 because here negative, negative will be positive, right? Okay, so now you will have 1 over 5, 2, 3, 1, and 4. Okay, so that means here we have matrix A, 2 over 5, okay, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, and 4 over 5. Okay, okay, now I put here. So matrix A is 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, and 4 over 5. So, okay. Now we have to multiply A and B to get matrix identity. Okay, because the question asks you to do A times B equals to identity. Alright, now A is 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, and 4 over 5. So this is matrix A. You multiply with matrix B, okay, 4, negative 3, negative 1, and 2. Okay, now I want to use different color. Okay, so here, multiply. So you will have here 2 over 5 times 4. So that means you have 8 over 5. Okay, plus minus means negative 3 over 5. Correct? Okay, settle this part. Do this part. Now, 2 times 3, you have negative 6 over 5 plus 6 over 5. Because 3 times 2, 6, right? Okay, settle this part. Now here, going up. 1 over 5 times 4, we have 4 over 5 plus negative 4 over 5. Okay, the last part now. We have negative 3 over 5, okay, plus 8 over 5. So definitely we have 8 minus 3, 5 over 5 means 1, 6 and 6, 0. So here also 0. So 8 minus 3, 5, 5 divided by 5, 1. So that means it's correct. Because the question asks you to do A times B equals to identity matrix. So your B and A, your A is correct. Alright? Okay. Now, we proceed to the last question, yeah? All right. Let's say the question asks you y times negative 2 matrix negative 2, 0, 3 and 1 equals to identity. Okay? So now we have to find what is matrix Y. Okay? So that means we have to take from here. Okay? So now 1 over negative 2 minus 0. So definitely here is negative 2. Okay? So here you switch 1, negative 2, 0, negative 3. Okay? So now we will have here 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2, 1, 0, negative 3, negative 2. So that means here is negative 1 over 2, 0, 3 over 2, and 1. Alright, now y minus with this matrix become identity. Now, come, we do it together. So this is matrix Y. Okay? So, negative 1 over 2, 0, 3 over 2, and 1. Okay? You multiply with negative 2, 0, 3, and 1. Okay? Okay. So now, okay, let's check. So here and here we have negative 1 over 2 and 2 we have 1, correct? Okay, so plus 0. Okay, next one. So here we have 0 plus 0. Okay, here. So 3 over 2 times negative 2 we have 3, negative 3, correct? Okay, so 1 times 3 plus 3. Okay, so the last part here, 3 over 2 times 0, 0 plus 1. So now our answer here will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So that means our matrix Y is correct. Okay? So that's all for today about the inverse matrix. I hope you understand. So I'll see you for the next video and please subscribe my channel. Okay? Bye. Assalamualaikum.